Waka Waka versus Perceptrader AI, both fantastic expert advisors, both high risk by the same vendor, Valery. Which one's best? I'm going to compare both of them across a bunch of different metrics so we can really compare apples versus a banana. I'm pretty sure this is not how it's supposed to work. It's not really apples for apples because my Waka Waka account is on Go Markets and my Perceptrader is on 8cap. My Waka Waka has been going since the start of February, so about 7 months now. And this one started at $500 and it's up 87%, trading at 0.01 lot size. This is a real account on the Go Markets broker with 500 to 1 leverage. My Perceptrader AI Expert Advisor has been running for 67 days, about 2 months now. And this one is on standard mode on the 8cap broker with 500 to 1 leverage, a real account. And this started off at $1,000 and is currently up at 10.6%. And we've got a current floating profit and loss of $15. The first metric we're going to compare is a profitability over the past 2 months because that's the overlapping time between both Waka and Pi. And remember that these are both trading the same lot size of 0.01. However, they're both on different brokers. One's on Go Markets when one is on 8cap. For the Perceptrader AI, I am trading with a standard mode and not unique mode because unique mode means everyone has different trades, but a standard mode, everyone tends to have approximately the same trade. First up with Waka, we have $72 in August and $42 in September so far. For the Perceptrader AI, we saw less profits in August, but more profits in September. Waka made a total of $115, whereas Perceptrader made $112, which is a $3 difference, so just over 2% won by Waka. Next, we've got the drawdown. And for the Waka, I have filtered it to start from the 1st of August. So we have two comparisons that are exactly the same. And Waka has a maximum drawdown of about $20 according to FX Blue. Whereas with Perceptrader AI, I have also filtered it from the 1st of August. And if you look at it from a big picture perspective, most of the time the entries are pretty good and the drawdowns on average is lower. However, this one trade right here did bring the drawdown to about $30. So Perceptrader in the middle of September had a bigger drawdown. The next metric is the profit versus drawdown ratio, and this one should be taken with a grain of salt because we only have 2 months of data to compare. Ideally, you would want at least 6 to 12 months of data, but let's go with what we've got so far. So with the Waka, we've got $115 divided by 20, which is approximately 5.77, which is a really good number. With Pi, we've got 112 divided by 30. So Pi's profit to drawdown ratio is a little bit worse at 3.7. In this category, Waka is winning at 5. For profit factor, again, both of these have been filtered since the 1st of August, and Waka has a value of 5.74, whereas Pi has a value of 3.21. So again, Waka wins by a little bit. Back to Waka, and we have a total of 112 trades since August, and the win rate is 92. Whereas for Perceptrader AI, we also have 112 trades. What a coincidence! And our win rate is a 75.9. So Waka again has a higher win rate than Perceptrader. Next, let's take a look at the charts. And a lot of people ask the question, if I already have Waka or if I already have Perceptrader, is it worth buying the other one? And with this chart, I've got the Aussie CAD up, which is a currency that is common across both currency pairs. And you can see that they are immediately quite different. Even though the money management is very similar, they both use a grid martingale sort of approach. The entries are different, especially when you look at standard mode alone. Up the top here, I've got the Waka, and at the bottom here, I've got Perceptrader AI standard mode. I'm just going to point out 2 trades that I can see that are obviously different. Up the top here with Waka, I can see a buy trade, and that one at the bottom here doesn't exist at all. Similarly to these buy trades at the bottom with Perceptrader, up the top, the buy trades are in a totally different position. So my personal opinion, they are quite different. The money management is very similar, but the entries are different. But we've seen Waka versus Perceptrader in terms of profit across both August and a drawdown, win rate, profit factor, and had a look at the trades on the chart. And the clear winner is